Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating credentials. Choose OAuth 2, 0 for user-based flows or a service account for server-to-server use. Once done, enable the Google Sheets API in the Cloud Console and download the JSON key. Then, open N8n, go to Credentials, create a new Google Sheets credential, and paste or upload the JSON. Make sure to set appropriate scopes for read/write. After saving, create a new workflow and add a Google Sheets node. This gets the process moving immediately. Next, wire up the trigger and configure the Google Sheets node. You can use a webhook, cron, or the Sheets watch trigger to start runs. In the node, specify the spreadsheet ID and sheet name, plus an A1 range for read or write. Map incoming data fields to sheet columns, use a set node for static values, or a function node to transform or validate data. For multi-row operations, use split in batches or batch update to avoid rate limits. Test small, then scale. To finish, run a series of tests. Read, write, and update rows, confirm headers, formats, and cell types. Once results look correct, activate the workflow, secure credentials in N8n, and add scheduling or webhook endpoints for production use. Make sure sharing settings allow the service account or OAuth user to access the sheet. If something fails, check permission scopes, spreadsheet ID accuracy, and API quota limits. Those are the usual culprits. If needed, add logging nodes to inspect payloads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.